Welcome, and thank you for choosing the Cornwall College Group for your upcoming course. We're excited to help you achieve your education, skills, and career goals. To get started, you need to enroll. Let's make it quick and easy. You'll be sent an email with your personal link to enroll online. If you've been given a conditional offer, you will receive the link as soon as it's been confirmed that you've met the condition. Can't find it? Check your junk or spam folder. The online enrollment platform does not support Safari. Therefore, we recommend you use Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge to complete this process. The enrollment only takes 15 minutes, so set aside some time and gather your needed documents, like your proof of ID, which could be a passport, driver's license, or a provisional license. We also need a .jpeg headshot photo of you for your student ID card. This must not be a copy of an existing photo, so you cannot use the photo on your passport, driving license, or current student ID badge, so you'll need to take a new one. Make it front-facing in portrait mode, against a plain backdrop, without any head covering, unless worn for religious beliefs or medical reasons. This includes no hats, cats, sunglasses, scarves, or masks worn in the photograph, no mirror selfies or car selfies. Think professional. Now, let's get to the details. Remember, any box marked with an asterisk must be filled in. Sign in with your legal surname and date of birth. These will need to match the details you submitted on your application. If you experience any problems, please email inquiries@cornwall.ac.uk. Then fill in your contact info. If you've moved, list your previous and current postcodes. Tell us where you'll be staying during term time, on campus or elsewhere. Don't forget to add an emergency contact, confirm your nationality, and let us know if you're employed or looking for work. In case you might need to learn from home, tell us if you have a device and the means to do so. No laptop, no problem. We'll be able to help. Any learning difficulties will have been locked in on your initial application form. If this information has changed, then please contact us. Now, select your ethnic origin, review your course details, and read the learning agreement.
Don't forget, you'll need to share evidence of your GCSEs. We'll need either clear photos or, preferably, a PDF scan of each of your physical certificates. Then upload them to the following page under GCSE Statement of Results.
Want to hear about surveys, research, or new courses? Opt in for updates. Finally, declare any unspent criminal convictions, upload your ID and headshot, and sign the document. Once you have finished entering your information and tick to confirm that you agree to the T&Cs of your enrollment, it's important that you please wait while the enrollment form is generated and ready for you to digitally sign. Once signed, a confirmation of enrollment will be displayed on your screen. Please note that we will not be able to process your enrollment unless it's digitally signed. Finally, scroll down, click agree, and you're all set. Welcome aboard, and we look forward to seeing you here in the Cornwall College Group.